You guys, is that a mystery box outside of my house? I can't wait to open it.
Damn, boy, he's sick!
Another fruit. A lemon, literally the representation of my channel. There's even texture on the lemon. What could be inside here? These monkey noodles are probably humongous. Oh my god, there's so many of them and they're rainbow and pastel.
I love it.
Hold up, you guys, I found a mustache from Mr. Pen. Now we got Mr. Lemon. What is this? This is the ultimate mystery. I have no idea what's in here. One poppet and another one. 2 poppets along with another mustache. I might as well become a mister with all these mustaches. These pops are so good. You guys, I missed these as well. There were more acupressure rings. These are more pastel colors.
Whoa.
These are so unique. Best acupressure rings I've ever felt.
They are matte instead of shiny. I love it.
Comment down below which of these rare fidgets was your favorite.